the big group is here, and I thought I'd take a quick little video, and you could see I had just put out some seeds, so there's a lot on the top, but you'll see them flicking down with their beaks and kicking and digging down with their feet, because there is another layer below. We had more snow, and so there's some seed below the surface too, and they know it, so they're kicking and digging. And if I wasn't cold with the place shut up, you'd hear them making their little clucking sounds when they eat. They thought, oh, remind me of chickens. Well, I was trying to count. I think this is the 14, or sometimes 13. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. 13 or 14? I don't know. Yeah, this is the big group. And it's odd, I have never, in these 5 years I've been here, seen one lone partridge. And there's a single partridge that comes all by itself. It's kind of sad. And I've seen it, it's been alone for a couple of weeks. And I'm not quite sure why. I don't know if maybe it can't fly anymore or something. It's walking around and looks fine walking around, but it's just odd for it to be by itself. Yeah. I've got this big group. Like I say, there's usually 13, 14 of them in there. And then I've got a group of 5. And then there's another group of around 7 or 8. And now I've got the one that comes all by itself. But I really love to watch them. I really do. And we had a lot of snow the last few days. So they know there's food here, so they are happy to come and dig here. But boy, yeah, they dig and know that there's seed underneath too, because I throw some out when we have blizzards or snowstorms. I throw it out a couple times and it gets buried, under the snow. And anyway, I thought maybe you might like to see them actually out there digging, and I wish we could hear them clucking. But that's the partridges. This is the big covey. And it is almost the new year. New Year's Eve tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye.